There's really no way I could live without music in my life. If you ask anybody who knows me, they'll say Chris Burris, the musician, just because that's just what defines me, and I'll always be participating in every form of music that's possible. Coming to this camp, I was looking mainly to expand my capabilities in songwriting, because you get in a rut where you start writing the same songs and you just want a little variety. And so coming in, being able to perform with 31 other incredible songwriters from around the country, you kind of feed off each other's creativity. It's been a completely new experience for me, because I've completely stepped out of my comfort zone of country music, really.
Well, we're midway through our new song program here. Next up we have Reflections by Charlotte Fever.
24/7 you're thinking about music, and it just really lets you just escape anything going on at home and just really focus on the meaning behind each song, in the wind, in the trees, and then like in the practice huts or anything. I mean, it's unreal how much you are just surrounded by motivation and inspiration for your new pieces of work. The songwriting family, I mean, we are all so close. We're 32 strong, and we all love each other so much, and that really just kind of enhances the whole feeling of finding new music together. We've all just really fostered such a warm and caring environment, and it's just really been, I couldn't ask for anything else. Interlochen helped me expand who I am and expand where I am. When I was leaving Interlochen, it felt like I was leaving home, which was strange because I was going back to Nashville, where I have grown up for 18 years now. I had gained a new sense of confidence at Interlochen, to where I wasn't afraid to present the stuff I wrote.